It is just pure ice out here. Look, oh, this is beautiful. Look at the trees. My phone's getting so wet. Be careful with this contact. I mean, it is just pure snow and ice. This is in Kentucky, by the way. This whole tree is like frozen. Look. Grass. This is awesome. Everything. It's frozen. It's like I'm just walking on like I don't even know how to describe this. It's just like walking on glass. Look. Oh, it hurt. Look at that. And then once you impact it, look, that's just pure frozen. Like it's not slushy or anything, it's just frozen. Like it's like, oh, look at this. Freaking cute. Phone is just, oh, look at this. This is where most of the impact came from. Not supposed to eat ice, but oh, trampoline is this. Oh, it's awesome. Look where it's curved. It's so heavy. It's like it's sunking in. Hopefully this doesn't destroy the trampoline. Kind of. This is awesome. The last ice storm we had like this was in 2021, and a tree almost fell on our house because the limbs broke because it was so cold. And it might happen now. You never know. That's sharp. Ooh. That is just sharp. It's just raining. It's just pure, it's sleet. This is what Kentucky looks like right now, guys. Hold on. Look at that. I have to go inside, it's cold. Yeah, be safe out there. There's already been, well, let's see the texture. There's already been wrecks. So be safe. Oh yeah, make sure you put your windshield wipers up. Freaking, my glasses are fogging up and frozen. It's crazy. Alright, be safe.